Hi, I'm Alex Davis, owner and creator of AlexDavisMarketing.com. Welcome to Widgets and Footer Tutorial Part 1. This is going to be very informal, so just take a deep breath and relax. Trying to figure out this whole online marketing thing can make you tear your hair out. At times, I have spent several days trying to figure out the simplest of tasks. Even with an excellent support team and folks willing to answer my questions, I have still come up short a few times trying to get a clear understanding of the information being shared. So this blog post is dedicated to those who find themselves challenged by the task of adding a widget to your footer for the purpose of adding in your terms and conditions, privacy policy, and finally, earnings disclaimer on your blog. Trust me when I say it's easier said than done. Where it all begins. We all want our visitors, when they get to our site, to see a professional finished product. For the most part, that's easily accomplished through our blogs, videos, welcome page, and other links we create. Most people would get a sense that a site is reasonably professional after seeing that stuff. But there are a few other things that we must do to take it to a higher level of professionalism. I'm sure that there are several ways of accomplishing your goal when adding a widget to your footer, but I found this way to be easy and to work rather well. Let's start with a few key steps before you add your widget to your footer. Step 1. Go into your dashboard in WordPress and add a new page. That can be done by simply clicking on Dashboard after you've logged into your WordPress site and coming over to the menu on the left side, clicking on Pages, and then clicking on Add New. Once you've got your new page up, you simply want to just put your title in at the top. You want to fill in the body of the new page with your privacy policy here, which should be kept on your desktop and ready for this process. Make sure to remove comments under discussion. Choose what type of template under page attributes. For me, I use a squeeze page template, which seemed easiest for me. Number 4, you want to uncheck any theme options not needed. And finally, I just have my header on the page and the title, so I uncheck everything else under theme options. Save and publish the page, and use these same directions for each page that you make. Step number 2. You're going to create a new menu for each page. You can do that by simply using your WordPress menu over on the left. Come down to Appearance, click on Menus, and this page will come up. You simply want to go up here to create a new menu. Click on that. It's going to prompt you to name your new menu. You want to name your new menu whatever your page name is. You want to save over here on the right. And this can be done by using the menu tab under Appearance on the left side of your WordPress dashboard, again over here. Secondly, under Pages, Step 2, you'll have all of the pages that you just created will be located underneath Pages on the left-hand side of the page. You simply want to click on the page that you want to add to the new menu. Click Add to Menu at the bottom. Save the menu. And now this page has become a part of this new menu. Don't forget to save all of your work before you proceed on to Widgets on the left-hand side of the page under Appearance, and that's where we're going to go next. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Welcome back to Widgets and Footers Tutorial Part 2. Now we're going to actually get our widget and put it in our footer with the pages that we have created under the new menus that we have also created. This is the part that got a little hairy for me, and it probably took most of the time that I spent to do this, and it's really a very simple process. So again, you're logged into your WordPress website. Over here on the left, under Appearances, there is a tab for widgets. So you simply want to click on that tab. The page that we are now on will appear. And on this page, if you notice, you've got primary widget areas, header widget areas, and a lot of other different widget areas all the way down here to the bottom. Where you're going to place your widgets will be determined by where you put your widget in the widget areas. I hope that sounded good and made sense. So let's try it again. Where your widget will appear will be determined by where you put the widget in the footer widget area. So let's start from the beginning. I selected to use a custom menu because I tried several other ones that just seemed to not get me the function that I was looking for. So we're going to click on Add Custom Menu. This page will come up, and if you notice here, you can select your menu. So I'm simply going to go here and select one of the new menus that I just created: Earnings and Disclosure, Privacy Policy, or Terms and Conditions. So whichever widget you're trying to put in your footer would be the menu page that you would select. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to do Privacy Policy. I'm going to leave everything else the way that it was. Show widgets on all pages. The appearance, I don't need to change that at all. Sidebar default will work just fine. And then I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to find the footer area that I would like to put my widget in. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to use one that I haven't used, and I'm going to select this one, select the number 1, check the box, and save the widget. And if you notice now, over here on the right, I now have added a widget to my first footer widget area. I also have one in my second footer widget area, my third footer widget area, and also my fourth footer widget area, which are the areas that I did earlier to complete what it is that I'm showing you now. So for the purpose, again, of this demonstration, we put it in our first footer widget area. Now we're simply going to go back to the WordPress site and see what happened by adding that menu to the widget and then adding it to our first footer widget area. So I'll be right back. Hello, we're here with the final step. I just wanted to show you how it looks when you're done after you have made a new page, made a new menu for that page, added that to a widget, and then told your widget where you would like for it to appear on your blog, which in this case was in the footer. If you'll notice here, I have privacy policy 2 times because I added privacy policy again for the purpose of this demonstration. Ordinarily, you would only see that once, so I just wanted to get some clarity there. And now you'll notice that it is a clickable link in the footer of my website. So I appreciate your time and attention today. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope this information will help you cut down on the amount of time that it takes you to get your privacy policy, terms and conditions, and earnings disclaimer located in the footer of your blog or website for your professional, finished, and polished look. Thanks again, and have a wonderful rest of your day. This is Alex from AlexDavisMarketing.com. For additional support on building your website and to learn more about online marketing, visit me on my blog, http://alexdavismarketing.com, or find me on Facebook, facebook.com/AlexDavisMarketing. Thank you.